Here's the deal. Your CRM sucks, and it's not your fault. But oftentimes, this is the reason we find ourselves bouncing from system to system to system, always looking for that shiny thing. Now, ultimately, in real estate, there are two things at play. We are, first and foremost, salespeople. And so we need a system that is going to help us work to build better relationships. And maybe the big box systems allow you to do that, but oftentimes they're holding pieces back. Now, this is either because they want to upsell you into bits and pieces that they have in different products, or perhaps they don't even know that they need to do this. And oftentimes, this is because their technology is almost 30 years old. Now, Living La Vida Loca was on the charts when these systems were built. And do you think that's the system you need to be helping run your business? I don't think so. What we're going to be doing is over the next 3 days, we're going to be showing you how to build systems inside your real estate business using modern tools. Inside of SAM, you're going to learn how to identify systems, how to add automations to them, and how these automations can take content that is stored inside your system, such as contact preferences or personal details, and infuse not only yourself into it, but infuse information about the people you're working with to build better relationships. Now, ultimately, you stack this with automations and you can start building a world-class client experience, which is going to time and time again deliver a really great experience for your people. No matter if you're helping one person or 100 people, it's going to stack and it's going to scale. And this is the secret to building the business of your dreams. So go ahead, click the link below, get signed up for this event, and walk away with your very first AI system built with you.